So there is a new update on Poppo that is not allowing you to receive your crown seat tax, and that is why in this video today I'll practically show you what that means and what you can do to receive it, as well as show you other helpful videos that you can do to earn more coins that will make you to engage and benefit even more for this latest update. Remember, it was 400 coins, now you can receive 800 coins. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of the video. So you're welcome to the practical aspect of the video. Right here on Poppo, you discover that after you have done your tax, if you click on reward to receive, it's going to show you that you must meet the requirements to receive the prize. So what this means is that the requirement is that you must receive a gift. It's not give a gift, but you must receive a gift equivalent to 400 points. So that means you need to at least do an exchange, okay? But me, I have already received gift more than that, but I'm just showing this because based on the screenshot that I have seen people send to me. So what you need to do is to do exchange. So like right here, I'm in this Nikki's panel. So if there's anyone that you need to have at least 500 coins to exchange, so that when you exchange 500 coins, Poppo will take 30% and give you 70%. So 70% is like 350. So if you are in a panel and you gamble, you at least receive that 50 points. But if not, that means you have to exchange 100 points. So let me just show you how you can do that exchange, okay? For you to do exchange, let's say I want to exchange with Nikki now. I will just click on Nikki, but I have to agree with her that I want to do exchange. So let's say I want to exchange 500 coins with Nikki. Let me sit where. Okay, let me close my video. All right, so let me sit where you can see my point. So you see, that means that I'm seated here. So if someone has gambled and I've received 9 points, so I'll just click on Nikki's profile. I will now click on give gift so that I will not mistaken it for someone. So under this gift here, you can see gift lucky test. Under this gift here, I'll check. I think this beer or this cock is 500. So notice that she has 11,100 here. So if I send to her beer or coke, let me give her coke. So I'll click on it and then I'll send once. I'm just having 2,447. So I'll tap only once here. So if I tap once, you see 500 has gone, it has reduced. And she too, you see that her points will increase. As you can see now, it's 11.4. So that means she has received 350 added to what she has already. So if I've agreed with her, she too, she will do the same. That means she too, she will click on my profile, click on give gift and send to me, so that you will have your point. So the point is what you can withdraw, okay? So that is how to do exchange. But me now, I just gifted her. So that means even if you do not do exchange, if you stay in where they gamble on you so much that you have up to 400 points and above, you can still receive, okay? So that is what that means. But me, I kind of like this thing that happened. It makes people to engage the more. It makes us to learn the more. And it was 400 coins before. Now it's 800 points. So if you look at it, it's still worth it. And for those that struggle to get coins, there are different ways you can get coins. So this video right here that I'm showing you, you can click to see 13 different ways you can earn on Poppo, and again how to earn free coins. This other video, I'm going to link them in the description of this video. So I hope to see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.